Hello ladies and gentlemen or sports friends. Do you know the best instructor who can help you achieve the kind of body you desire in the shortest time possible without any problems? Even for those who want to add body and to maintain a strong structure. Kindly join instructors Moses and others at Together Fitness Center. They will help you achieve your dream. The gym is located in Mtwapa. Oral welcome. We open at 5 a.m. and close at 8 p.m. Morning classes begin at 7 to 8 a.m. and evening classes starts at 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. We also have personal exercises depending on the flexibility of your time from Monday to Saturday. On Saturday, we close at 4 p.m. Remember to report in time. Requirements for proper training are sports shoes, towel and training kits. For more information, contact the number below. Call Moses number, telephone +254 713 440 267. Thank you in advance from Instructor Moses and God bless you all. Share with your friends.
Hello Madam Stella. Unaonaje kutoka join exercise zetu?
Tangu ni join Together Fitness Center, nime witness a reduction of my weight. Nilianza last month kama niko na 78 kilograms. Na this month, the second month, nimekuwa na 73 kilograms. So far, lose 5 kilograms.
Hello Mr. Lennox. Vipi unaonaje kutoka ujoini Together Fitness Center?
Nashukuru nilipoanza Together Fitness, nilikuwa hata nguo zilikuwa za cheza. Kusema kweli ya. Kwa sasa ninaona manufaa makubwa sana kwa sababu nikiangalia ninaona nimekaa vile ambayo inatakikana kuwa fitness imekamilika kabisa.
Hello Madam Consolata, unaonaje exercise zetu?
Exercises hapa ni nzuri. Nilijeni nikiwa na 85 kg, sasa niko 55. Wow. Nilikuwa na a lot of medical problems. Nilikuwa asthmatic. Yes. Na sasa it's completely gone.
Hello Madam Purity, unaonaje exercise zetu kutoka umejoin?
Toka nimejoin nimeona mabadiliko. Nimejoin only for 3 weeks na nimeshed 5 kgs and they also give you meal preps so it's easier na yeah, it's a good gym.
Hello Mr. Nixon, unaonaje exercise zetu kutoka na huo muda ambao umejoin gym yetu?
Toka join Together Fitness, exercise imekuwa poa. Nilikuja na intention ya kuongeza mwili na pia ku burn fat na yote nimesucceed toka ni hapa for the last 5 months. Yeah. Na bado ninaendelea, ninapata morali sana.
Hello Madam Susan.
Hello.
Vipi unaonaje exercise zetu kwa wewe ambaye umekuwa kidogo una miezi 4?
Mimi naona zina manufaa sana, zimenifaidi. Nilikuwa na kilo 76. Katika miezi 4 nimepunguza kilo 20 na moja.
Kilo 21 umepoteza? Hiyo ni mzuri sana. Madamu
Hello, naitwa Masi. Nimefurahia kwa mazoezi. Nimekuwa nikipunguza. Especially kwa vile to assure that mtu akikosea na mkosoa. Tumekuwa tukifanya vizuri na nafurahia, niko proud nimepoteza kilo 5.
Vizuri sana. Madamu Alice.
My name is Alice Cherono.
Yes.
He is very concerned with us. We do very good exercises.
Yes.
All the time lost a lot of weight, and also we are very fit. I've done it only for 2 months and I'll do it forever.
Madam Wendy, how unasikiaje habari ya exercise yetu?
My name is Wendy. It's my 3rd day but it feels like I'm in 1 month here. I feel so great. Thank you, Moses.
Hello, madam.
My name is Elizabeth Wahu. I love the gym. I had a sagging tummy.
Yeah.
Should see it now, I'm flat.
Yeah. Hello, madam.
Okay, niko dada, jina langu. Train for 4 months. Sasa niko fit. Nilikuwa kwa mnono 85 kg, now niko 60. Kingine cha muhimu, gym ni stress free. Kama una stress zako wewe kuja gym tu zitaisha.
Madam Lucy, unaonaje exercise zetu?
Yeah, thank you. My name is Madam Lucy. I came here when I was 72 kilograms and after 1.5 months I'm now 69 kilograms. That means I've reduced by 3. My flexibility has improved, my breathing has been improved. Even issues of constipation that I had have been reduced. Now my bowel movement is easy. And I really appreciate Zobits.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam. Madam Teresa.
Yeah.
Unaonaje exercise zetu kulingana na toka umejoin?
Hizi exercise naona ni za muhimu kwa maisha yangu. Yes. Sababu nikija hapa nilikuwa niko na kilo 103. Sasa hii niko 80, nashukuru Mungu.
Umepoteza karibu kilo 23.
Manake sasa hata vile nilikuwa naumwa, vile nilikuwa siwezi kuinama, kuinuka, nilikuwa siwezi hata piga deki. Sasa hii nafanya mambo yangu vizuri, mwili wangu unaendelea vizuri. Hata nikitembea watu wananiuliza nimefanya nini, so I'm proud of my body.
Thank you so much. Hello, Madam Jacqueline.
Yes, my name is Jacqueline. I came to this gym when I had a problem with my back, and when I went to hospital, I was sent to the electricity machine for my back, but I didn't go to the hospital for that. I came to the gym, and now my back is okay. I can do everything. I can work all my work, so I'm very happy for this.
Hello, Madam Rita.
Okay, benefited from the Zombics exercises because it has made me active. Yeah. I've cut a bit weight, and it has made me have energy. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Welcome. Hello, Madam Jema. Unaonaje exercise zetu?
Kiufupi mazoezi ni mazuri. Yeah. Kwa sababu jinsi nilivyokuja na sasa hivi ni tofauti. Nilikuwa ni mnene, mzito. Hata kufanya kazi za nyumbani tu nilikuwa naona kazi, lakini sasa hivi nafanya kazi vizuri, ni mwepesi, na uwezo kukimbia. Najisikia vizuri, ugonjwa mara leo kichwa, mara tumbo, yote sasa hivi sisikii. Kwa kweli niko vizuri. Na washauri na wenzangu karibuni katika mazoezi, mtajisikia vizuri kama mimi. Asanteni.
Okay, asante sana. Hello, Madam. Unaonaje exercise zetu?
Kusema kweli exercise zenu ni mzuri. Kuna privacy nzuri hapa, wakina mama wamegawanywa upande wao.
Hello sport friends. Mnajua ni kwa nini hao watu wanapunguza kilo kwa urahisi zaidi na kwa haraka zaidi?
Hello ladies and gentlemen. I feel very sad when I hear someone died of heart attack, pressure, stroke, diabetes and cancer. The only solution is exercise. You may think you are healthier, body outward, but body inside you are not. This is because you cannot see the inside of yourself. Of course, most people rely on mirrors, which is not the case inside your body organs. When you ignore exercise, you will experience backache, gas in abdomen, difficulty during long calls, mental breakdown, fatigue, heartburn, dizziness, chest or lung complication like asthma, discomfort during short call, burning sensation, indigestion, hypertension, diabetes, normal imbalance, sinus, and many more complications. Instructor Moses is willing to help people who have chronic injuries and other problems. Some people who want to lose, add weight, and become healthier through exercise. And he has a new exercise called Zombic Dance Workout Exercise. You can also search on YouTube. He is one framing this exercise worldwide. He started in 2015 framing exercise positions. So he would like to tell you all that this exercise is so nice for your body joints. Some people who have heavy weight while running always get problems such as lower back, knee joint, shoulder and ankle problems, but when they exercise with getting rid of chronic injuries. And among my students, after 4 months, one can lose between 10 kilograms and 20 kilograms. If you would like to become healthier, it's possible because by sweating, one gets rid of the fat beneath the body skin surface that leads to blockage of arteries, resulting to a disease known as arteriolysis. This prevents pumping of blood to all parts of body. Secondly, one does away with the pimples on the body skin that are a result of more fat in the body that leads to formation of black spots. Some foods, drinks and medicines contain some chemicals that can result to cancer, diabetes, blood pressure, paralysis and heart attack. Last and not least, the reason as to why some people, especially women, catch cold inside their body, it's because of some chemicals that affects the hormones, leading to them running low. For men, becomes less strong when the hormones are affected by chemicals, and that is why some of them become inactive in bed. But when they do exercise, the hormones get activated, leading to keeping your life safe through exercise. Some times ago, our parents normally used to perform difficult duties that equal to doing exercise. Lastly, they consumed non-chemical foods that prevented them falling sick easily. So if you would like to keep your body healthier, keep Zombic Dance Workout Exercise. Let's be honest, could it be possible that you put your life and especially your marriage in jeopardy by not taking care of your body? Exercise makes you healthy, strong and beautiful. Come and allow us at Together Fitness Center to give you or help you maintain that classic body you deserve. You will also avoid many medical problems through exercising, as many more will get cured in the process. Ladies and gentlemen, make the right choice. Together Fitness Center is the best place to work out. If you care for your lungs, avoid smoking. If you care for your heart, avoid excess salt. If you care for your liver, avoid excessive fatty food. If you care for your stomach, avoid cold food. If you care for your intestines, replace junk food with vegetables. If you care for your pancreas, avoid overfeeding. If you care for your kidney, drink a lot of water. If you care for your brain, sleep 8 hours before every 16 hours. If you care for others, then share with people. Come and learn more at Together Fitness Center or call number +254 713 440267.